So here I have an 8 relay board. This is an unfinished 8 relay board. I also have Alexa app running on this phone. So this actually is configured for IP32, but what I'll do is I'll just power this on and clear the config, then again reconfigure it. Hold on for a second. It is here actually, Armtronics 8 relay board. I'll pick this, name this as 8 RELAY. Try to keep the names as small as possible. This was suggested in one of the forum. And I'll just say save. Then I'll go back to the main menu. Go to configure, go to modules. Here I'll pick 8 relay, the one that I had named it as, and say save. So after it reboots, you should get 8 relays here. So you will get 8 relays here. Now if I trigger, actually you can see that the LED is going on or off. Now I'll again go to configuration, go to others. Here now you can see that this has been created and activate. Okay, this has to be tick marked. Now the names are in this case Armtronics XYZ, all those names. I'll select a hue. Let me change the name. Let me make it simple. 1, 2, 8. Okay, and I'll just save it now. So it has been saved. Just again to have a look at it, this is activated. So huge bridge, save. I'll go back to configuration now, and I'll just go to the main menu and restart it. So let it restart once. Now if I ask Alexa to search for the device, it should be able to search. I'll just show you this app also. So there are no devices apart from these 4 devices. So just let me ask Alexa now to discover. Alexa, Discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
If it doesn't discover, you may have to restart the device again.
I couldn't find any new smart home devices.
So it is
If
telling
you
it
have Philips Hue,
it
press
couldn't.
the button on the bridge and rerun discovery.
It is saying it couldn't find. It was not able to find any new devices. So just let me again restart this and try. I have pressed the restart button here. Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I couldn't find any new smart home devices. If you have Philips Hue, press the button on.
It is still saying it couldn't find any devices. So in such cases, let us just plug out the power and plug it back in. Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I couldn't find any new smart home devices. If you have Philips Hue, press the button on the bridge and rerun discovery. This will take a few moments. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I found and connected 8 new devices including lights. Try saying, turn off 8.
Now it was able to find those devices after 2 or 3 retries. Probably what I did was I just went here again and pressed save. So after that it was able to detect those devices. You can try the same. Sometimes it comes in the first attempt itself, but in this case I had to I tried 3 times and I had to save this again so that it was able to discover those. Let me just open the app and see if it has discovered those 8 devices. You can see that all the devices have been discovered. The LED light is on. Now I have turned it off. So discovery, it's not bug free, so there could be 1 or 2 attempts that you'll have to try and then it detects.